Hey y'all, so I've been uploading some studio vlogs lately and I thought we might throw in like a casual weekend vlog. What do y'all think? Got a lot of stuff to get done this weekend. Need to pick up some groceries, mow the grass, and then my folks should be coming because we are gonna rip out these ginormous bushes in front of the house that are an absolute nightmare to maintain. They grow too fast and too close to the house, and they're like full of spiders and stuff, and I cannot get between the bushes in the house to clean the windows. Oh, and we're gonna grill. So yeah, why don't y'all just come along? So, do y'all drink sweet tea where you're from? It's super common here in the South, but it is pretty heavily sugared, and so I drink half sweet or less. That's what I make here at home. Yeah, so do y'all drink, and out of a mason jar? Mm-hmm. Oh, y'all, it's hot. And I ain't even drove out of the carport yet. Ooh. So let's do a super fast grocery haul. Ernie, if you don't get off this counter. Ernie! Since when, dude? Get down. Bad. Get down. Deep breath, mama. You better get on this counter. I ain't never lying. That cat is bad, y'all. Okay, so fish sticks. Like I said, we're gonna grill. So I got some fish sticks and some tater tots just in case anybody doesn't like what we're grilling. Bread. I bought the wrong size olives. These are the size of my car. That's okay. For cocktails. Also for cocktails. Salad dressing. Salad stuff to go with the grilled meats. This is bunny food. So green leaf and romaine lettuce for the buns. Eggies. And then this is that Panera bread, baked potato soup. I love this stuff, y'all. And it goes within my calorie limit. It's like 400 calories per this whole bowl. So, yeah, pretty good. So there's my little grocery haul. And then here's Ernie's favorite thing to do is play in these bags. You are a bad kitty. Okay, y'all, so I think that's going to be about it for today. I have kind of a bad headache. If you've seen these spots on my arms or legs as I've been filming, I just have some dermatitis that went from one spot to like, boom. I look like a little kid took a marker and went dot, 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 all over my arms and legs. So I'm on kind of a high dose of steroid for a few days. And it's giving me bad headaches in the afternoon. So I'm gonna sign off for now and we will pick it back up in the morning. Bye y'all. Hey y'all, it's the next day. We got some yard cutting to do today and I really need to do as much house cleaning as I have time for because we've got folks coming tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna start by doing some kitchen cleaning before it hits 8 a.m. and I fire up the big mower. So let's do it. Ooh. So at this point that I've vacuumed, I would typically steam mop. However, I'm gonna go mow the yard later and then come in and out of the house. And then tomorrow we're gonna go pull those bushes out and then we're gonna grill and be coming in and out. I don't see any point in steam mopping today and then having to turn around and steam mop again tomorrow. So we're gonna let it go with the vacuum and move on. So do y'all use this stuff? Ugh. This is the mint scent and I have just a few sprays left. It's my favorite. I normally don't do this until after I mop. Like I feel like the whole place needs to be like really clean before I start spraying my goodie. But I'm making an exception because this stuff smells so good. Anyway, so it's getting time to go and mow the lawn. Normally I would put in my AirPods and listen to, there's actually an 80s playlist on Apple Music that I would typically listen to because the mower is very loud. However, I've already got a headache this morning from the dose of steroids I took earlier, so I'm not really sure how that's gonna, I don't think I'm gonna be able to like put my AirPods in and like crank them up. And I'm a little concerned about the push mowing. I mean, I don't know what my head's gonna feel like when I get off of the riding lawnmower. But you know, if my yard's not perfect and my neighbors can kiss my, you feel me? We'll just see how we get on. So I shot this clip early in the morning. I wanted to give you all some kind of idea of how big my yard is. It's gonna take me about, spider webs. It's gonna take me 35 or 40 seconds just to walk to the end of the yard, and I don't actually even get all the way down there. I just wanted y'all to see how big this yard really is. Okay, and here's where the foreshadowing comes in. If you will watch the right hand of your screen as the lawnmower comes into view, here in just a second, poof, it's gonna put out some white smoke. Y'all, I have straight up torn up this lawnmower. It's like making a burning smell. I don't even know what is going on. And so I'm getting ready to turn it back around and head back for the house so I can park it and find out what is going on. Ooh, Lord, did y'all see that footage? So I got out there with the lawnmower and something cut loose up underneath. There was a little white smoke. There were some noises. I was like, what? So I picked the blade back up and headed back toward the house. I was like, you know, in my head, I'm like, there's smoke, there's an engine, let's get it parked. So I got it back under the carport. But as I was headed in, I let the blade down again just to see what it would do. And the deck of the mower is going like this. So I don't know if I have managed to tear up my lawnmower or what I have done, but I've already called Pop and they were headed here anyway tomorrow. So we're gonna have to do some mower diagnostics and find out what's going on. I wonder where Oni is. What you doing, Oni? Yeah, what you doing, you stinky? Yeah. Becky. Yeah, Becky. Yeah, well tell the people, Oni. What you say, On? Huh? What you say? Oh, this is Mama's little baby. Hey friends, so it is later in the afternoon and I'm headed to the Mexican place to meet my husband for a bite to eat and a margarita, much deserved. And I've got my little outfit on, and I thought maybe I'd do an outfit of the day. Do fat girls do that? Why not? Okay, so let's see if we can see me here. So this top is from Torrid, I think. Super cute, really light, like good for the summer, even though it's a dark color. And then my pants are from, it's like Vigos brand with all the stuff on the butt, you know what I mean? And then I've just got my little, sorry, I've never filmed an outfit of the day. I don't really know how this works. I have a hard time taking myself this seriously. And my little fossil bag here. So yeah, let's go to the Mexican place. Okay, y'all, here's the whole point of the Mexican place. So good.
Doing okay over here?
Yeah, good, thank you. The ginormous bushes we are looking to remove today. Oh, and here comes my people down down the road. I've never ridden a mower like this, y'all.
Your seat.
Okay.
That's the firmest. That's like, you'd be like.
All right, cool.
Throttle. Up, you get the spinning.
Up is on.
Yep. Down is off. Then ignition key, right?
Okay. Oh.
So you go to turn this on.
Okay.
And turn it on to shit. Right here. Speed setting. This is a slow one. That's towing.
Oh.
So this is turtle speed. This is
Rapid.
yeah. So just give it a whirl. You got open space. Try to turn around.
Holy crap. Look at this, y'all. Holy, I have never seen the front of my house before. Oh man, I can get to my spigot. So last year, winter, I had to crawl on my hands and knees to get to that spigot underneath them bushes with the spiders touching me and all. Okay, y'all, so we have this ginormous burn pile that Adam is taking care of. There was a lot of additional yard work that took place yesterday that I didn't film, and so all this needs to be burnt. It's a lot keeping up with a yard this size. Another important feature of the redneck backyard, our built-in spa. Y'all, it's late Sunday afternoon. My floors are clean again. Thought we might come say bye-bye to Ernie to end this. Oh, you sneezy baby. Oh, you sneezy baby. Say bye to the people, Ernie. Say thank you for joining us for a weekend vlog. And we hope to see you again next week. Can you say subscribe? Thank y'all for watching. Bye, y'all.